And if nothing changes before 2026, then 2026 will look exactly like 2025. Or from January, my life will change. 2026 is not gonna save you. Hi, my girlies, welcome to my channel. I'm Vidanshi, a fourth year medical student, a final year medical student. My fourth year has already started. I can't believe it. Anyways, hi, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. And I know you have a lot of hopes from 2026, and I also know that you might have already watched like 5 or 6 videos about 2026 and how it's gonna be your year and how to make those vision boards. Well, this video is not for the ones who keep promising themselves that I will change next year. This video is actually for the ones who really wanna make a good transformation in 2026, who really want 2026 to be their year. 2026 is not gonna save you. Motivation will never save you. January will not save you, but your mindset will save you. So every December we all do the same things. The year is ending, we are all feeling all the emotions. पूरा साल में याद आता है कि oh my god, this year has been so good or so bad for some people. We tell ourselves from January 1st, I will wake up early, I will focus, I will go to the gym, I will start studying. But from January my life will change. But let me tell you something very honestly. Years do not change your life, your habits do. And if nothing changes before 2026, then 2026 will look exactly like 2025. Just a new number. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the video. I'll be telling you all the things that you need to start doing before 2026 to achieve what you actually want. Point number 1 is change your mindset, and it's the most important thing that I can tell you. No vision boards are gonna work, no long to-do lists are gonna work, nothing's gonna work if you don't change your mindset. You will be left with the membership of the gym, that's all. You're not gonna go to the gym if you don't have the mindset. Stop saying I'll try. Trying is emotional. Trying depends on mood. You don't have to be in a mood to do something. You don't have to depend on motivation to do something. You need system. A fixed time, a simple routine, and a clear space. That's all you gotta do. You don't have to be motivated. You have to be driven to achieve something that you really want. And if you're not driven enough to actually want something, I don't think you want it enough. Brings me to my next point, which is stop waiting for January. You need to stop waiting for the right time. Right time is right now. Right time is, I don't know, right time might be a random Friday at 4:53 p.m. That might be your right time. So you need to start now. Waiting, it feels safe, but it quietly ruins your life. And if you keep waiting for the right time, you will wake up in 2026 with the same regrets that you have right now. If you want to do something, start right now. If you want to start making videos, if you want to start your YouTube channel, if you want to go to the gym, take that membership, go to the gym right now. So you have to start now. Everyone's making vision boards, and if you want to make your vision board as well, then start preparing for it from now on with the vision of how you want to be in 2026. That is also a start. Take small step towards it right now, because you know what, everyone's trying to be doing a lot of things. Trust me, people are changing, people are putting an efforts in themselves. So if you're not gonna do anything for yourself, you're gonna be at the back, bro. You're gonna be left behind. That was a bit rude, but yeah. So the third point I want to tell you is start small but take it seriously. So in order to go from point A to B, the changes in the journey are not very much visible. But that doesn't mean that you're not changing. It means that the changes are small, but eventually you will reach point B. So even if you're working out for 30 minutes, do it. In those 30 minutes, nothing should come between your workout and you. Put your whole mind the thing that you're doing at the point. When I wanted to start my YouTube channel in 2025, I had the same goals that I have right now, and I even started in 2025. मैंने start किया अपना YouTube channel, but I kept on making the shorts videos because I felt that was easy. So I chose the easy path. Meanwhile, I knew मेरे views ज़्यादा long formats पे आते हैं, and I gained a lot of subscribers with my long format videos, but I was not making them because it takes a lot of efforts. So I was running away from the efforts. So make the effort, man. I think it will pay you off. If you'll have to make efforts eventually for everything in life. You have to make efforts in your relationships. You have to make efforts in your job, in your work. So why not make efforts for yourself and actually get the reward that you want? That sounds so cool, no? The fourth point is very, very important. You don't need those stupid, draining relationships with anyone. Whether it's friendship, whether it's relationship, whether it's habits. If there's some habit that's draining you and you know that you need to quit that, cut off the people that were draining you. You need to stop pleasing people. If something is not helping you, if something is not helping you grow, you need to just cut those people off. 2026 is all about productivity and being right on my foot. So I'm also gonna achieve my goals, and I also want you guys to achieve your goals with me and then enter 2026 with a boost. Okay guys, that was it from my side, and I hope it was informative. I hope that you achieve all the dreams that you have in that beautiful mind of yours. That's all from my side, and this is Vedanshi Tyagi signing off. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves and
There's a million things that I could do.
ASMR.